How can we verify and modify the spanning tree protocol timers that are in use? If we go to ASW1, if we type in show spanning tree for VLAN 10, we can see in this output that the root bridge is identifying the hello time as 2 seconds, the max age time as 20 seconds, and the forward delay time as 15 seconds. Locally on ASW1, the hello time is 2 seconds, the max age time is 20 seconds, and the forward delay time is 15 seconds. Which set of timers are being utilized right now in this topology? Well, even though you can modify these spanning tree timers locally on a device, those timers only go into effect if that device is the root bridge. So in this case, on ASW1, if I modify the local spanning tree timers, it's not going to have an effect at all on this device or any device in the topology because it's not the root bridge. So the timers have to be modified on the root bridge. And in this case, for VLAN 10, the root bridge is ASW2. So spanning tree for VLAN 10. This bridge is the root, and you can see the hello time, max age time, forward delay time is 2, 20, and 15. So how can we modify it? Well, it's modified on a VLAN by VLAN basis. So when we go into global configuration mode and we type in spanning tree, we would specify the VLAN. We can specify all VLANs in this one command. So we could do a range, or if we just wanted to affect VLAN 10, we can. And notice there's the forward time, so the forward delay timer, the hello time, and the max age time, all right there for VLAN 10. So let's go ahead and change our hello time. And the hello time can be anywhere from 1 to 10 seconds. And what did we say the default was? It's 2. Let's change it to 5 so we can see the difference here. 5. Hit enter. What's the next option we want to look at? The forward time. The forward time can be anywhere from 4 to 30 seconds. So this is the forward delay time. The timer that's used for the listening and learning states. By default, it's 15 seconds. Let's change it to 17. Just so we have a difference. And lastly, the max age timer. What did we say the max age timer was? By default, the max age timer is 20 seconds. So let's change that max age timer. Let's change it to 23 seconds. All right, now if we look at the output of show spanning tree for VLAN 10, you can see that the timers are 5 seconds for hello, 23 seconds for max age, and 17 for the forward delay. If we go back to ASW1 and we execute the show span VLAN 10 command, notice what it says. It says the root bridge is saying we are going to use 5-second hello, 23-second max age, and a forward delay of 17. Even though the local information states 2, 20, and 15, those timers are not the ones that are going to be used. It is these timers right here. The root bridge timers that are being advertised in the BPDUs throughout the spanning tree topology. These will only be utilized, or the local values, pardon me, will only be utilized if ASW1 becomes the root bridge.